Hi everyone, good evening to all of you. Hopefully you all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. In this moment, I would like to say something about in my video. Okay, so let's get start this video. So dear lovely friends, now I have come here because our paddy field I can see at this moment. So as we can see our behind side in our paddy field, so look like very beautiful and very amazing. So dear friends, so you can see this is our paddy field safety purposes use. Okay, so we have put up a barrier made of bamboos and net. Okay, so in around our paddy field, because cows and goats eating our crops. Okay, so that is why use this barrier. So all around site use this barrier, and it's made by bamboo and bamboo stick and nets. Okay, so dear friends, this is the amazing scenery and very amazing environment. I think it's a mesmerizing scenery. Okay, so now it's evening time, and I think 5 p.m. and evening time. So today actually weather very good and sun very shine today. And dear friends, actually let me talk about, so how can I speaking English fluently. Okay, so dear friends, actually English is a important language. Okay, so dear friends, if you learn speaking English fluently, at that time you have to patience and you have to practice more and more. Okay, so dear friends, whenever you start in your English journey start, at that time so many problems, you have so many problem, and I think it's a doesn't matter, and you have to practice more and more. Okay, so I also use this way for learning English. Okay, so on the other hand, and nowadays you have social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and there are so many platforms like English learning beginning time. Okay, so dear friends, you can also use YouTube English content video like English with Lucy and best English content creator and English learning video, and this is the pronunciation very most beautiful and very important, this YouTube channel. I also use and I also watch this video and the type of English content creator video. Okay, so dear friends, our English actually, my English actually not for good, but I am trying. Okay, so after a long time I not for good quality video. Okay, so this is the way for learning English. So dear friends, and two application is the most important application for learning English, and one of the most important application like apps, Duolingo, most important and most helpful, very helpful for learning English. And another application, HelloTalk. So I can also use this application HelloTalk. Okay. So and there are so many applications for learning English in Play Store. You can also download and practice in your English skills. Okay. So dear friends, now I am going to our home, and my phone actually search not enough search, and already 3% search I think now in our mobile camera. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.